Civil society groups have flagged a wave of harassment and attacks against Muslims in Assam, linking the backlash to the Red Fort explosion. Right activists warn of communal polarization and demand protection for vulnerable communities. The Democratic Freedom Party (DFP) condemned the surge in human rights abuses and indiscriminate detentions across Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. They further urged international bodies to intervene, citing the demolition in Pulwama and the broader crackdown as evidence of collective punishment. Former J&K Chief Minister Mehbooba Mufti demanded an impartial investigation and cautioned the family members of suspects should not be victimized. She further emphasized that there is a need for accountability and the rule of law. Delhi police detained Dr. Farooq Ahmed, an assistant professor at GS Medical College, and Dr. Muhammad Arif Mir, a first-year DM cardiology student in Kanpur. Both are from Kashmir and are being interrogated for being terror module behind the Red Fort attack. There's a pattern of property seizures under the UAPA, describing recent cases where homes and lands were taken without any trial, often citing public safety or anti-national grounds. It notes that such confiscation further intensify after major incidents like the Red Fort blast.